Alright, so today's a new day and here we are running the engine again. Alright, this is Nick, and today is another wonderful day, and
here we go.
Start the video off with an engine startup. Well, it just died.
It's okay.
We poured gasoline down the carb a few minutes ago, maybe 10 minutes ago. Actually, maybe 5-10 minutes ago.
I mean, it runs pretty smooth.
We took off the duct tape that we had over the oil cap, oil breather, and there was smoke coming out of it. And then we noticed that there's smoke coming out of this passenger side of the engine, and I don't really know where it was coming from.
It looks like the oil that's on the manifold burning off.
But so far, what we're thinking right now is it's just old oil, and the oil hasn't been changed yet, so that might fix our issue. At first we were thinking it was maybe rings or head gaskets, but now we're thinking it might just be old oil, because we've just been running this thing without an oil change. And it's got this Champ oil filter still on it that's like ancient. Who knows if they even sell those anymore. And the zoom feature on my camera is acting up. But anyway, last video we left off pulling all those wheels off, you know, basically just purging all the wheels around the car. And we are doing the compression test.
Alright, here we go. Yeah. Not much improvement there.
Not surprised. Old motor, and it's ran a few times, and apparently that doesn't make a difference in compression. So now we're gonna test the rest of these, and we'll be back with you in a little bit.
It's another wonderful day. And we're going to drain the oil.
And you got it recording?
Yeah, don't slip. I think it's recording.
Is there any time frame on it?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
it is. Alright.
Right, go.
And you just push down?
You pull towards you.
Pull towards me. What? Push down, push up?
Well, no, pull towards you. Pull towards you. Don't break your jaw. Because this thing is, there you go. Alright. It's another wonderful day.
Stop fucking mocking me.
Alright. I think it's, yeah. Should I, like, alright.
Keep recording until the damn thing starts draining.
Ouch. I can't, okay. Oh, look at that. All over me. No. And right. Perfect target. Look at that. Okay, that's it. Oops. It's a wonderful day. Oh. I think it's like not moving. No, it's still not moving.
Or is it the other way around?
It's red, white, and blue. We should really keep that one.
Oh, of course I gotta keep it. I just gotta get it off so I can take care of putting a new filter on it.
It's 35 seconds. twist.
Let me get.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it off.
You. Hold on, hey.
It's moving. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna break it for me? Oh.
I already got it moving.
Okay. Can I turn the rest of it? Because
alright.
The way your position is horrible for this camera.
Like this. Rolling is counting.
How did you break this? How are you turning this? Ah.
You gotta use your arms like levers. Like don't use your wrists all together. Use your wrist to grip and your forearm like a lever.
You had it like this.
But yeah. But I had two hands on it. Yeah. That's how I have it. It's moving, right? Barely. There, I see it. Okay.
What's that?
This is a pretty good position for a oil filter. Drains right off the front cross member. Alright, can I shut this off? Alright. Nice. And then just tip it in there. There should be a screen, right? Or there used to be. Alright. Yeah, just I guess put it in there and let it drain. Put it at tilt it, you know. Put it in there and, oh. There it goes. Yeah, there you go. Alright.
So we just got done with a differential pressure test that we did off camera. Tested all the cylinders except for the 8th one. And wonderful motorcycle and his muffler went by. But we got the test done and now we got to start the thing up and see if the compression has improved or not. And see it happen. Go.
Oh. Oh, I forgot to put the springs back on. Missing one. There it is.
The springs. You screwed with the freaking.
Yeah.
Ah, you.
Oh, when we were doing compression test, we wanted the
Oh.
throttle open.
Now hopefully we have fuel. why, of course, we don't have fuel. And it won't take fuel either. We gotta pour it down the carburetor. This is great. Now we just put fuel down the carburetor. And we're gonna see if this thing runs again. I forgot to mention that we put a new oil and a new filter. So
Not bad, huh?
yeah. Wow, this thing's actually running a lot better than last time.
Alright. I don't want to run it too much with the coolant in the condition that it's in.
Alright, how y'all doing? Nick back here with another wonderful video. My English is like gone right now. But what's going on here is I just cracked the seal on this transmission pan and I'm just letting it drain. Yeah, and stupid camera doesn't want to focus, so I'm just letting that drain. I had World War III with the fucking transmission fluid. The pan fell and it made a bunch of mess. You know, I could have done it better, but you know, it was just like, I was getting tired of it. My pan was already pretty much full, and yeah, so I guess whatever.